Alchemy for inviting both of our schools to come and showcase our talent in literature over here. I just realized that this Alchemy has taught me a proverb telling that it always seems impossible till the job is done. So I want everyone to participate more and come to this Alchemy. Really proud to get up on the stage and do my act, and all the other acts were also nice from my school and the whole.
See everyone come out of their shell. See caterpillars come out and turn into butterflies. It's amazing. And I think this entire concept of read on is amazing because let's admit it, most of us open poems and books only when something like this comes out.
I don't have any stage fear anymore because thanks to you, Read On, I am very happy and I don't have any stage fear. Thank you.
Namaskaram, I am Lakshmi, a Bharatanatyam artist from Bangalore. I was the guest performer for Day 6 of Children's Read On Festival. It was a great experience watching children perform so well the works of different authors and poets from different kinds of literature.
Hello, this is Nishita Joshi and I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer. I came here to Alchemy's Black Box studio for a performance, and I must say that Alchemy Arts and Education Foundation is doing a really good work by bringing this art to the stage and to people's notice, where people today are inclined towards more gadget and social media platforms to really come on the stage and bring their personality.
How beautifully the children they are taking part and how confident they are in presenting. It gives us strength, it gives us way more motivation to be performers and presenters. So, and we are so happy that we could do this for the kids for the Read On Children's Literature Festival.
This festival encourages children to read new literature, and it's an amazing thing. And I could also watch a few of their performances, which was really great.
When it comes to Alchemy, they all have given the topics on what they have to perform and everything. So children, they have got a clear idea of how to go about. So that was a very good thing that Alchemy does all the time, giving up an idea of how to do this monologue, the poem renditions and all these things.
And since it's not a competition, it really encourages the students to come out and showcase their talents without any inhibitions.